Okay, here's the 4.3 Jasper engine startup. Always test run them on the floor first. We set the timing. We did start this one a while ago and it started right up. We did a video of just an actual first time start and it cranked right up, but it would die and die and die. And we had to take the idle mixture screw out of the carburetor and blow the carb out and reset the idle mixture because the carburetor was not doing well. So we only ran it a minute and we did advance the timing a little. Of course, we've been doing this for years and got lucky, and the timing is right at 10 degrees. So we've got some hot wires powering the fuel pump and the ignition circuit. Kenneth's got the ignition switch. We got our gas can. We don't have any accessory drives going because we're just running it for a minute to test everything and look for any leaks. So let's go ahead and start this thing up. Idling just a hair low. And we're right on 10 degrees. Hold that, please. And you see how it died. Let's start it up. I think that carburetor needs to be run a little bit and may need to be rebuilt, but not doing too bad. Probably got some old crap in it. We're going to idle it up just a little bit once it's in the boat. And we don't see any oil leaks. It looks good. Give it a thumbs up for the install. Let's shut it off. All right, let's start it one more time. There we go. That's without touching the gas. Good. Thumbs up. Yes. Thumbs up. Yep.